Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What's up, y'all? Oh, whatever. How y'all doing? This is going to be another Boxy charm unboxing and just get right into it. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Alright, I don't know what just happened, but we just totally went on tangent. Flowers, before I go in and show you how I achieved this look, you know, you're gonna see me now and then you're gonna see how I got to now. Yeah, we're gonna just go into the details of the box. This box is whimsy is the theme. This is a white paper, so I don't know if it's showing up right, but yes, whimsy is the theme. And we have, of course, all of the products here in the back. Boxy charm is a monthly subscription. It's $27. Well, take it back. It's now $25 a month, and then with taxes for me, because I think it goes by New York State tax or whatever state that you live in, comes up to $27.22. I mean, honestly, you get 5 full products, 4 to 5 full products. I haven't gotten 4. I don't think. I usually always get 5, so I mean, it's worth it. Of course, this is how the box comes. Your address comes on the back, and the only thing that I did not use in the video that I'm going to talk about right now is this Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleaner and concealer. I will probably do a separate video on just this product because I didn't want to clean my brushes and wait for it to dry and all of that just to do this video. So anyway, that is that. I just wanted to say those things so I can show you this product right here that would not be in this part of the video. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is going to be a mini talk through because I'm going to tell you about each product that I got from my box. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It's a soothing facial oil. So I'm going to use this on my face with my primer. Oily, but I think it dries into the skin very well. And yeah, so I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna use my Star Cosmetics primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my base makeup because there's nothing else for you guys to see from my box. I'm gonna use my ColourPop foundation and concealers. Okay, we'll be ready to walk. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a brow makeover kit. This is in the color dark. It's from Brow Bar. It's called True Glam Brow Makeup Kit, and I'm just going to fight to get it open really quick because my nails are always in the way. And this is how it looks. So it looks like it comes with 2 brow colors. I'll probably mix the 2 because I do like a dark brow since my natural brows are so light. Ooh, it comes with a little brush that I probably won't use, and this is, I think, brow gel. Yeah, this is brow gel. I'm just gonna actually... I just want to go on record and say that this is the second time I'm using a brow gel, and I don't like them. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a angled liner, and I'm gonna go in with the lighter, darker. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. All right, there's a cream kind of, I believe, highlighter. So I'm just gonna use it just to see how it works. I think it's okay color for me. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eyebrow, and I will be back to show you guys how it looks. Oh, okay, so my brows are completed, and now we're going to go into eyeshadow. the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetic from Storybook Cosmetics.
Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So this
is the palette that I got, and everything in this palette is on the peachy, pinky, burgundy sides, very neutral palette. So we're gonna go ahead and work with this bad boy, and we gonna see what it's giving, honey. So I'm gonna start with the color Woods. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go on with the color Journey, and we're gonna go ahead and put that above and blend out Woods. Now we're gonna use the color Basket, which is this darker brown right here. And if you haven't noticed, based on the names of this palette is based on our sis, what's her name? Little Red Riding Hood. I'm gonna go on the with this brush, and I'm gonna use the color Peril. English, I don't know. I don't know what that word is. I'll be honest, I wish that all of these neutral colors were darker. I'll be honest with you. I feel like they're a little bit too light. For me, I would prefer something that comes a little bit deeper. But yeah, that is the eyeshadow look. I actually want to go in again because there's this red here, and I really think it's pretty. I want to use this on my under eye. Like that red. What do y'all think? The good old matte days. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on with this Ciate London Marble Light blush in the color Burnt, and I'm going to struggle to get it open because of my nails. What else is fucking new? And then I'm gonna go on with my Becca Champagne Pop from another box of mine. I think this was my November box, and we're gonna go ahead and highlight. So now I'm gonna go in with my iconic London setting spray. Okay, so after we are done with everything, this is basically the full look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, my liner, my lashes, take my hair down, and I'll come back to show you guys the final look. All right, guys, this is my final look.